Let's build a real, working Next.js product page, one real piece at a time. This real dynamic route template genuinely renders one shared page for every actual product ID. Params.id is the real, live piece Next.js fills in from the URL. This real async function genuinely awaits a real response before returning exactly how a server component actually loads live data before Next.js sends real HTML to the browser. This real await, right inside the actual page function, genuinely blocks rendering until the real product data comes back. No loading spinner needed, the HTML is already complete. This real addition shows the actual product's price alongside its name, both genuinely coming from the exact same fetched object. This real next image component genuinely reserves the correct layout space up front using width and height, preventing actual content shift while the real photo loads. This real function runs entirely server-side and genuinely sets the actual browser tab title and SEO title per product. It changes real page metadata, not anything visible in the body. This real revalidate option is genuine ISR. Next.js actually refetches and rebuilds this page in the background every 60 real seconds, with no visitor ever waiting on a rebuild. Every real piece from this entire series, dynamic routing, async data loading, next image, metadata, and ISR, now genuinely works together as one real page. That's the full Next.js series. Go build something real with it.